In this session on the course on estimating and costing, we are going to prepare analysis of rate for few of the civil engineering items. In this session, we are going to prepare rate analysis for cement concrete having proportion 1 is to 1.5 is to 3 for first class brick masonry in superstructure and 12 thick plastering in cement mortar 1 is to 4. In order to prepare rate analysis, it is important to know the various labor and material required for each of these items. For cement concrete of grade 1 is to 1.5 is to 3, in plain cement concrete, the material requirement are cement, sand and aggregate, whereas labor are mason, helper and bistri, whereas when it is cement reinforced concrete, material additional would be steel and the labor additional would be blacksmith. Whereas for 12 thick plastering, we require material as cement and sand, whereas labor as mason, helper and bistri. The material requirement for first class brickwork in superstructure in cement mortar 1 is to 4 are cement, sand and brick and labors are mason, helper and bistri. First of all, we would prepare the rate analysis for cement concrete, that is plain cement concrete in proportion 1 is to 1.5 is to 3. Now, in order to prepare the rate analysis, first we'll study the structure. This is the structure of the rate analysis. Here, for preparing rate analysis, we require the market rate of material. So, market rate of material have been here. Then we require the cost of transportation. So, cost of transportation is been included on the right side of the structure of rate analysis. Whereas we also require the task work and the market rate of labor, which is on the left side of the structure of rate analysis. So task work for the various items of work is been included here and the market rate for the various types of labor is included here. Now, in order to prepare the rate analysis for cement concrete of proportion 1 is to 1.5 is to 3, the material are cement, fine sand and coarse sand, or it can also be termed as aggregate. The unit for measuring cement is ton, fine sand cubic meter and coarse sand or aggregate as cubic meter. Now we need to find the quantity of each of this material, that is cement, sand and aggregate, and we need to find the quantity for 1 meter cube. So for finding the quantity for 1 meter cube, we'll take the cement quantity first. Now cement is the quantity of cement is in percentage of the proportion. So proportion we are adopting for this analysis is 1 is to 1.5 is to 3 and the percentage of cement for the given proportion is 28.33. So in fraction the quantity of cement comes out to be 0.2833 cubic meter. So I'll substitute this value, that is 0.23 sorry 0.2833 here, and I'll get the quantity of cement in tons. Thereafter, the proportion for which we are preparing the rate analysis is cement portion is 1, sand is 1.5 and aggregate is 3. Now after substituting this, we'll come to a structure of rate analysis. All the values here are auto calculated. You can see we get the quantity of cement as 0.41, which is equal in terms of ton, which we got from here 0.41. Thereafter, quantity of fine sand is equal to quantity of cement into 1.5. Now quantity of cement in cubic meter is 0.2833 into 1.5. So the quantity of sand in cubic meter is 0.42. Similarly, quantity of coarse aggregate or sand is 0.2833 into 3. So the quantity of coarse aggregate is 0.85 and the quantity of transportation of material or carriage of material remains the same. Now here we need to input the rate of each of this material. So first of all, for cement, the cost or the market rate of the cement is, here I can have Portland cement OPC 43 grade, unit is in ton, and here also I have unit in ton. So rate is 4940. and the transportation cost for cement comes out to be 92.24 rupees. Thereafter, the cost of fine sand is fine sand per meter cube 900. I'll import 900 here, and the cost of transportation for fine sand is 103.77 rupees. 103.77. Thereafter, the cost of coarse sand is 1350 rupees. So I'll input here 1350, and cost of transportation is 103.77 rupees. So 103.77. Now here we get the cost of material. Now this cost is X is multiplied by 10 so as to avoid the decimal fractions, and also the transfer reported here is in 10 meter cubes, whereas this quantity is for 1 meter cube. So I have multiplied X, or the cost of total material including transportation, with 10. So this cost is for 10 meter cube. Now thereafter I'll input the cost of labor. So for preparing cement concrete in proportion 1 is to 1.5 to 3, the various labor required are head mason, mason, helper and bistri. And the task work for this labor are head mason 0.5, so I require 0.5, then mason is 2, thereafter helper is 10, and bistri is 2. The market rate for each of this type of labor are: for head mason or mason it is 738 rupees, 738. Then for mason again it is 738 rupees, 738 rupees. Helper, the rate is 558 rupees per day, 558 rupees per day. And for bistri the rate is 617 rupees per day. So the cost of labor for 10 meter cube of cement concrete of proportion 1 is to 1.5 is to 3 is 8,659 rupees. Thereafter, we'll add the cost of tools and plant. Cost of tools and plant is taken at lump sum, and it is taken as 0.5 percentage of cost of labor plus cost of material. So 0.5%. So the cost of tool and plant is calculated as 229.05 rupees. Thereafter, water charges is at 1 to 1.5% of cost of labor plus cost of material plus cost of tools and plant. So we'll take water charges at 1%, and which is calculated as 460.38 rupees. Thereafter, GST is at the percentage of cost of labor, cost of material, cost of tool and plant, and water charges. I'll take GST at 14%. So the charges for GST is 6,509.81 rupees. Contractor profit varies from 8 to 15% of the cost of material, cost of labor, tools and plant, water charges, and GST. For this example, we will consider contractor profit at 10%. So the contractor profit is calculated as 5,300.85 rupees. Thereafter, we have additional sales tax, which is at 1%. So additional sales tax is 583.09 rupees. Now the cost of per unit quantity is divided by 10. So this 5,889.24 rupees is for 1 meter cube of PCC of proportion 1 is to 1.5 is to 3. So if we summarize this, we have prepared the rate analysis for cement concrete in proportion 1 is to 1.5 is to 3. The cost of material comes out to be 3,715.02 rupees. Cost of labor is 865.90 rupees. Cost for tools and plants is 22.90 rupees. Water charges is 46.04 rupees, and contractor's profit is 530.08 rupees. So the unit cost without taxes is 5,179.95 rupees per meter cube, and this cost with taxes is 5,889.24 rupees per meter cube. So in this way, we prepare the rate analysis for cement concrete. Next item for which we are going to prepare the rate analysis is brickwork, and this brickwork is first class brickwork in superstructure. Now, in order to prepare the rate analysis for brickwork, we would again go to the structure of rate analysis. Now, this is the structure of rate analysis. The structure of rate analysis remains the same for all the civil engineering items, which include the cost of material, cost of labor, cost of tools and plant, water charges, taxes, and contractors' profit. Now, in order to prepare the rate analysis for brickwork with CM mortar, that is cement mortar 1:4 in first class in superstructure, we need to know the quantity of various materials. The materials are cement, fine sand, and bricks. So in order to calculate the quantity of various material, we need the volume. Now we are preparing the rate analysis for unit quantity, that is 1 meter cube. So first of all, we would calculate the quantity of brickwork. The quantity of brickwork required for 1 meter cube depends upon the size of brick. The size of brick with mortar and without mortar. In this example, the size of brick with mortar is considered as 20 cm by 10 cm by 10 cm, whereas the size of brick without mortar is 19 cm by 9 cm by 9 cm. So the number of bricks calculated for 1 meter cube of brickwork is 500, which is equal to 1, that is the quantity, divided by the total volume, which is equal to volume of brick with mortar. So the number of brick is 500. So we require 500 bricks for preparing 1 meter cube of brickwork. Thereafter, we'll calculate the quantity of cement mortar. The quantity of cement mortar is calculated in cubic meter. The net quantity is equal to total quantity for which we are preparing the rate analysis, which is equal to 1 meter cube, minus the volume of brick. The volume of brick is calculated as 500, that is the number, into the volume of single brick without mortar. So it is equal to 1 minus 500 into 0.00153. So the net quantity of cement mortar is calculated as 0.23 meter cube. Thereafter, this quantity is increased by 15% for frock filling and wastage during operation. So the quantity of cement mortar by increasing 15% is calculated as 0.27. This quantity is further increased for the allowance of wet to dry at 30%. The gross quantity of cement mortar is calculated as 0.34 meter cube. So the quantity of cement mortar required for preparing 1 meter cube brickwork is 0.34 meter cube. Now, in order to calculate the quantity of cement and sand for preparing 0.34 cubic meter cement mortar, first of all, we'll calculate the quantity of cement. The quantity of cement is based on the proportion. The proportion which we have adopted for this example is 1:4. For 1:4 proportion of cement mortar, the percentage of cement content is 26.8%, which is equal to 0.268 cubic meter. Now this 26.8 is for 1 meter cube, but the quantity of cement mortar is 0.34 cubic meter. So the quantity of cement required for 0.34 cubic meter is 0.34 into 0.268, which is the percentage of cement. So the quantity of cement is calculated as 0.09 cubic meter, and it is converted to ton by multiplying 1.44. The proportion of cement mortar is cement 1 and sand is 4 part, and aggregate would be 0. Thereafter, we again head on to the structure of our rate analysis. It can be observed here the quantity of various material is been included. Quantity of cement is 0.13 ton, quantity of fine sand which is equal to 4 times the quantity of cement in meter cube. The quantity of cement in meter cube is 0.09 into 4. So the quantity of fine sand is 0.36, whereas the quantity of brick is calculated 500 numbers, and so the quantity of transportation of material for each of this material remains the same. Thereafter, I'll input the rate for each of this material. Rate of cement is 4940 ton per 4940 rupees per ton. The cost of transportation for cement is 92.24 rupees per ton. The cost of fine sand is 900 rupees per meter cube, whereas the cost of transportation for fine sand is 103.77 rupees per meter cube. The cost of brick is 5000 for 1000 number of brick. So the cost of one brick is 5 rupees. Therefore, we input here 5. The cost of transportation for brick is 276.72 rupees per 1000 bricks. So the cost of transportation for one brick is 0.276 rupees. The cost of material is multiplied by 10 so as to match the quantity of task work, because the task work reported here is in 10 meter cube and the quantity which we have calculated is here for 1 meter cube. So the rate of material is multiplied by 10. So the amount is for 10 meter cube. So the cost of labor is for 10 cubic meter. Thereafter, we'll calculate the cost of labor. The task work for preparing brickwork in CM mortar 1:4 is head mason as 0.5, mason 8, helper as 15, and Bisti as 2. The rates for various types of labors are: mason is 738 rupees per day. Again, head mason and mason, the rates are same. So the rate for head mason is 738 rupees per day, and also the same for mason is 738 rupees per day. The rate for helper is 558 rupees per day, and the rate for Bisti is 617 rupees per day. So the cost of labor for preparing 10 cubic meter of brickwork in cement mortar 1:4 is 15,877.00 rupees. Thereafter, we'll calculate the cost of tools and plants. Tools and plants is taken at lump sum, which is 0.5 of the cost of labor plus cost of material. So the cost of tools and plant is calculated as 261.96 rupees. Water charges varies from 1 to 1.5%. Here we would take the water charges at 1% of cost of material plus cost of labor plus cost of tools and plant. So the water charges is calculated as 526.54 rupees. GST is calculated at the percentage, and the GST percentage we would adopt here is 14%. So the amount of GST calculated for 10 cubic meter of brickwork is 7,445.32 rupees. Contractor profits varies from 8 to 15%. We would adapt contractor profit at 10%. So the contractor profit calculated at 10% is 6,062.62 rupees. Thereafter, sales is at 1%, which is calculated at 666.89 rupees. So the total cost for preparing the brickwork is 6,735.57 rupees. Now this value, that is 6,735.57 rupees, is for 1 cubic meter of brickwork in cement mortar 1:4 for first class brick masonry in superstructure. So again we would go to the summary. So we have prepared the rate analysis for brickwork. The cost of material is calculated as 3652.04 rupees. Cost of labor is calculated as 1587.70 rupees. Cost for tools and plant is 26.20 rupees. Water charges is 52.66 rupees and contractor profit calculated is 606.32 rupees. So the unit cost for preparing 1 meter cube of brickwork is 5924.91 rupees. This is without taxes, and with taxes the unit cost is 6736.21 rupees per cubic meter. In this way we calculate the quantity of brickwork for cement mortar 1:4 in superstructure. So this was about the rate analysis for brickwork. Next item for which we are going to prepare analysis of rate is plastering. Here we would prepare the rate analysis for 12 thick plaster in cement mortar 1:4. Let us go back again to the structure of rate analysis. Now, for preparing the rate analysis, we require the cost of material, cost of labor, cost of tools and plant, water charges and contractor's profit. Now, in order to find the cost of material, first we would need the quantity of material. Rate analysis for plastering is prepared for 10 square meter. That is, the mode of measurement is meter square, and in order to avoid small decimals, the quantity is taken as 10. Later on, the total cost is divided by 10 so as to obtain the rate per square meter. Now, in order to find the quantity of various material required for plastering is cement and sand. So first of all, we'll calculate the quantity of cement and then that of sand. Now, in order to first find the quantity of cement, we require to calculate the volume of cement mortar. Now, the volume of cement mortar is based on the thickness of plaster layer. So I'll input the thickness of plaster layer as 12 mm. The net quantity or the volume of cement mortar calculated is 10, that is the area 10 square meter into 12 by 1000 is the thickness in mm. Now it is to be noted that there is a percentage increase in the quantity of cement mortar based upon the thickness. Now for various thickness of plaster, that is for 12 mm thickness plaster, 15 mm thickness plaster and 20 mm thickness plaster, the percentage increase is 20%, 15% and 12% respectively. So our thickness is 12 mm, so the percentage increase would be 20%. So I'll input here 20. So the gross quantity of cement mortar is 0.14 cubic meter. Now this quantity is of cement mortar, which includes the both cement and sand. But in order to find the quantity of cement alone, we would again go to the proportion and the percent of cement. The proportion which we have adopted in this example is 1:1:4, and the percent of cement for 1:4 cement mortar proportion is 26.8 percentage. Now this 26.8 percentage is for 1 meter cube, but the quantity of cement mortar is 0.14. So the quantity of cement for 0.14 meter cube is 0.14 into 0.268, that is percentage I have taken in terms of fraction, comes out to be 0.038, 0.038, which I have inputted here, that is the volume of cement. Now it is in cubic meter. So now the proportion of the cement mortar is 1:4. So one part is for cement and 4 part is for sand. Aggregate it would be 0 as it is a cement mortar. We have got the quantity of cement as 0.038 cubic meter. We have converted into ton, and thereafter the quantity of sand would be 0.038 into 4. Now this quantity is reflected here. The quantity of cement is 0.05. It is in tons. The quantity of fine sand is 0.15, which is equal to 0.038 into 4. Now the quantity of coarse aggregate is 0 as we don't require coarse aggregate for preparing the cement mortar. Now we'll input the rate corresponding to each of this material. The rate for cement is 4,940 rupees per ton, and the cost of transportation for cement is 92.24 rupees per ton. The cost for fine sand is 900 rupees per ton, sorry, per cubic meter, and the cost of transportation for fine sand is 103.77 rupees per cubic meter. We don't have coarse aggregate or coarse sand in this uh, analysis, so I'll input here as 0 and 0. Now the cost of material required for preparing the cement mortar is 427.94 rupees. Now it is to be noted here I have not multiplied with 10 because already we have taken it in a 10 square meter. So the cost of material is calculated for 10 square meter. So no need to multiply the total amount with 10 as in the previous cases of brickwork and PCC. Thereafter we'll calculate the cost of labor. The task work for plastering is head mason 0.05, mason as 1, helper as 1.4 and Bhisti as 0.1, and the rate for respective labors are mason or head mason is 738 rupees per day, mason again 738 rupees per day, helper is 558 rupees per day, and Bhisti at 617 rupees per day. So the cost of labor calculated is 1617.80. Now this cost is for 10 square meter and 12 mm thickness. Similarly, the cost of material is also for 10 square meter and thickness of 12 mm. Thereafter, we'll calculate the cost of tools and plant. Cost of tools and plant is calculated as 0.5% of the cost of material plus cost of labor. So the cost of tools and plant is calculated as 10.23 rupees. Water charges at 1% is calculated as 20.56 rupees. GST at 14% is calculated as 290.71 rupees. Contractor's profit at 10% is calculated as 236.72 rupees, whereas sales tax at 1% is calculated as 26.04 rupees. So the cost of plastering per square meter is 263.00 rupees. Now this 263 rupees is for per square meter and thickness of 12 mm. Let us go back to the summary. The cost of material for per square meter is 42.79 rupees. Cost of labor for per square meter is 161.78 rupees. Cost of tools and plant is 1.02 rupees. Water charges is 2.06 rupees and contractor profit is 23.67 rupees. So the cost for plastering in cement mortar of proportion 1 is to 4 and thickness of 12 mm is 231.32 rupees per square meter, and with taxes it is 263.00 rupees per square meter. In this way we prepare the rate analysis for plastering. In this session we have studied how to prepare the rate analysis for PCC in cement mortar 1 is to 4, for brickwork in first class in superstructure using CM 1 is to 4, that is cement mortar 1 is to 4, and for plastering 12 thick in cement mortar 1 is to 4. So the unit cost for PCC is 5179.95 rupees per cubic meter. Cost for brickwork in superstructure is 5924.91 rupees per cubic meter, and cost for plastering in cement mortar 1 is to 4 and thickness of 12 is 231.32 rupees per square meter. These costs are without taxes. So this was all about part 8 on the course on estimating and costing. Thank you.